Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to install apps in your ShopBase store. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type shopbase.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen we have the home, orders, products, we have the fulfillment, analytics, we have the marketing and sales, contact, app, settings, the online store, and in the bottom left corner, your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and install apps in your ShopBase store. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So first, access the admin site. So go to the ShopBase admin site and click on apps, which is here on the left side of the screen. Then click on Visit ShopBase App Store. So you just need to click on Visit ShopBase App Store in the top right corner. Then use the search bar, navigate menu or categories to find the app you want to install. On the app's detail page, click Install App. If you want to delete an app, click on the trash icon next to the app and provide any feedback if prompted. Then click on Install. The process allows you to enhance your store with various functionalities and tools. If you have any specific apps in mind, of course, you can go and check out all of the applications here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.